Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to type bold text on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app. Then you need to click on this what's on your mind in here. So then you can write any post you want in here, but we have not been given an option by Facebook to change the shape and bold of our letters. I will show you how to do it easily. Close your Facebook app and you need to go to your Google browser. Then you need to search YAY text in here. Then tap on this YAY text website in the top of all. Once you come to this website, you can find this your text option. So now you can write something in here and select any design from below. After that, tap on this copy button to copy your design text. Then go back to your Facebook app and now you can paste that copied text in here. Then now it allows you to bold your text and change the font of the text in Facebook posts. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.